Tessa, as an Olympic athlete, and a pretty good one at that, I imagine you don't have a lot of cheat days, but if you could eat whatever food you wanted for a day, what would you start with?
I'm obsessed with breakfast, and in fact, not just to start the day, but all day long. And I think because I can't cook, I find I make eggs for dinner often.
Yeah.
But yeah, anything pastry, pie, waffles.
Well, you're in luck because we've brought in food expert Mary Berg to cook up Tessa's ultimate cheat day.
Hello,
Mary Berg.
I was really into that.
Yeah.
No, I'm into it. There's fruit in there.
Of course.
Yeah, but I heard you liked breakfast, and I heard you liked chocolate, so I thought, what better way to start the day than with stuffed French toast?
Yes, Mary Berg.
Right? Yes. So it's like French toast, just classic, but a little more zhuzhy, a little
Yeah, all right,
fancier.
show us what to do.
Okay, so I'm gonna get you guys, this is hot, so just be careful.
Okay.
I'm gonna get you to mix up the custard. So when you make French toast, you need that eggy, milky, delicious custard. So do you want a whisk? Are you a whisker?
I'll try.
Okay, cool. So that's a whisk, as you know.
Thanks, good
Yeah. So just give it a whisk, and
Okay.
then would you add some of the milk, about a quarter cup?
Okay.
I know you're versed.
like about
Good
that.
team.
Yeah.
That's perfect. A little bit of vanilla, some sugar, and
just a
orange.
tiny little
Just
bit.
a
of this,
smidge.
Yeah.
I feel this is going to end up all over me.
No, you're doing
Okay.
great.
What else do we need?
Orange zest.
All of it?
All of it. So
Really?
I love orange zest in French toast because it makes it so good. And to stuff it, so
smells
we've
so
got
good.
super thick cut brioche, which is, or not brioche, this one is challah, which is delicious, it's eggy. And then we're gonna cut a little slit in it, which is
that
super
whisk
easy.
enough for
That's
you?
perfect, you nailed it.
Right, okay.
Yeah, you're killing
Yeah,
it.
well
yeah.
done.
Very well done. And then I'm gonna stuff this French toast with
Okay.
some chocolate hazelnut
Yes,
bread.
you are. The question that I have for you, because I'll make French toast at home sometimes, that sometimes it soaks too long in the egg mixture, and then when you give it to somebody, it's too heavy, it's
Yeah.
too soggy, it's too dense.
It breaks.
So what's your tip there?
So my tip, there's two tips. Either you're gonna do super thick cut bread like this one, or just use stale bread. Really stale,
Okay.
kind of old bread that you'd throw out otherwise.
day old sort of.
Day old, exactly.
Yeah.
I'm also gonna shove some raspberries
That
in
must
there
be
because
such a
why
hit
not?
with the kids.
It is, oh, absolutely.
Oh
they
my
know,
gosh.
They love that, they love waffles, they love pancakes, anything like that in the morning.
Breakfast food, breakfast for dinner. My mom's not much of a cook, and that was like our favorite thing as
Yes.
kids. But basically, all we do then, this one I usually soak for only about 30 seconds to 1 minute per side, and then we pop it onto a nice hot grill.
And it doesn't have to be, oh, look at that.
So good.
You don't need oil, right? Like
No.
you need the pan to be oiled. But
Yes.
you don't need a lot of oil. You don't have
No.
to fry this.
This is a healthy-ish cheat day. I'm trying a little
I
bit
like
hard,
that.
yeah. But then basically all you do is cook it away, and then we flip it over when it's perfectly golden brown, and you end up, okay, look at this. Like
Beautiful.
stuffed French toast. We have some for you to eat over
Where?
there. Which over here, actually, Ben, there you
Over
go.
here.
Because it's
Looks
so
amazing.
good.
Oh, okay, you want some of this?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
need to
there's
dig
forks
in.
over there.
We need to
So
dig in.
while you guys
Oh,
are
I don't
doing
need
that,
I don't need a fork.
I'm moving on.
We're moving
We got
on.
Dutch baby time.
Yeah.
What is that?
Okay, a Dutch baby is like a pancake that's Ben is happy. Dutch babies are like a pancake that you don't have to stand and flip at the stove. It's the
Okay.
best way to make
Okay.
pancakes for a crowd. So basically, all you need to do for Dutch babies.
Are you so good?
It's so good.
I know it's really tasty and
You're
it's so full.
you're the best.
Oh, thank you. Basically, for a Dutch baby, Tessa, do you want to add things?
Let's add, yes.
Okay, so first we start with the dry. So we've got that's a little bit of salt. Just add a pinch of it.
Okay.
Yeah, I've never even heard of a Dutch baby before.
It's also called like a klugelflumpen or something. I don't know how
yes,
to say it.
that's
but
the
it's
name I-
yeah.
that's the name I was more
That's
familiar
the one
with.
you're familiar with. Then the sugar.
And a pinch of that? Or
No, that's
the
we're
whole
going all
thing,
in.
the whole
Yeah,
thing,
just
okay.
go on in for the sugar. Yeah,
Okay.
there you go. This is
All
a
right,
fancy one.
okay.
And then we've got some warmed milk, so I'll add that.
Amazing.
And do you want to pop those eggies in
Yeah,
there?
I do.
Perfect.
Have you always been passionate about food and cooking?
yes.
And that was just, okay.
And vanilla. To be honest, it's one of those things that like I do to tell people that I love them because I'm just like, how do you show
How do you
people?
show you care?
Yeah, this is why I love being here because also
Yeah.
you guys love eating and it's a wonderful
nice.
thing. But this is
It's
how
like
we
a
do it.
hug for my belly.
Exactly.
That's really how I feel.
Which is the best. But all you do is mix this up until it's really thin.
Okay.
I'll do this.
Okay, and then we don't do any stovetop here. So we've got a cast iron skillet in the oven, and you take it out a really hot oven about 425.
Just that in the...
in there, and
So
you
you
put
put this in and get this hot?
get this super hot, add in a little bit of butter and oil, which is delicious. It's kind of like a sweet version of like a Yorkshire pudding. And do you want to
Okay.
come
my
see what's
goodness, yes.
happening? Get ready.
All right. Yeah.
This is what it looks
Oh my
like.
God.
almost looks
It
like
didn't
an
look like
angel
that.
food cake.
No, a couple of seconds ago, look at
It
that
didn't look like
bad
that
boy.
a few seconds ago.
No, I
Jesus.
know. So
Okay.
basically,
Beautiful. Oh, it
that's
smells
all she is.
amazing.
This is really hot, so
That's
do be careful.
amazing.
It does like to fall down a little
And
bit.
then how do you serve it?
You serve it with maple syrup, berries, whipped cream, anything delicious. But while that cools, I think we need a cocktail.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yes.
It's brunch.
It is.
Okay, so basically, this is just cassis, which is super yummy. It's like a red currant liqueur.
Okay.
Some peach juice, so it's kind of like a Bellini, and then we need Prosecco,
Lovely.
which I'm a big fan. And it kind of looks like a sunrise. Doesn't look like today's sunrise, because today's sunrise is horrible.
Thank
But
you.
that's for you.
Delicious.
Yeah, Ben. of
Thank
course.
you.
I'm not gonna lie, when they
can't
said
wait to dive
brunch,
into this.
I was like, brunch has to have a cocktail.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. All
It's
right.
got a good smell to it.
It's really nice and
it's really nice.
delicious.
All right, cheers, ladies.
Cheers.
Thank you so much,
Cheers.
Mary
Thank
Berg.
you.
Another home run. Thank
And
you,
all
Tessa.
of these recipes, all these cheat day recipes are up on the website, yourmorning.ca. Be sure to check them out.
That was so cool.